Here's a step-by-step video specifically related to your issue, along with clear instructions on how to fix black ink not working on an HP DeskJet 2331. Step-by-step fix no black ink printing. Follow these steps after watching the video above. 1. Check and reinstall black ink cartridge. 1. Turn on your printer. 2. Open the ink cartridge access door and wait for the carriage to stop. 3. Gently push down on the black ink cartridge and remove it. 4. Inspect the cartridge. Remove any protective tape if it's new. 5. Reinsert it firmly until it clicks into place. 6. Close the access door and try a test print. 2. Run cleaning cycles. If the black ink still doesn't print, use your printer's software/driver to run a print head cleaning or clean ink cartridges for maintenance/tools. After cleaning, print a test page to check. 3. Clean contacts and nozzle area. Turn off the printer and unplug it. 1. Remove the black ink cartridge. 2. Dampen a lint-free cloth with distilled water. 3. Gently wipe the contacts on the cartridge and in the printer. 4. Let everything dry, reinstall the cartridge, and turn the printer back on. Avoid touching the copper nozzles directly except the contacts to prevent damage. 4. Align or reset. Sometimes issues persist if the printer needs a reset. Turn the printer off. Unplug the power for approximately 60 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on again. Tips that often help. Make sure your cartridge has actual ink. The printer software shows ink levels. Use genuine HP ink cartridges. Third-party cartridges can sometimes cause recognition/printing issues. If you've cleaned and replaced the cartridge and it still doesn't work, contact. Sometimes the print head or cartridge mechanism needs service. If you want, I can find another video that specifically shows print head cleaning or deep unclogging for HP printers useful if cleaning from software doesn't help. Just let me know.